Good morning, folks. Happy November 1st. This is Amtrak Coast Starlight, train number 11, going to Los Angeles at 98th Avenue. ALC-42’s leading off. Oh, that's the first time I see an ALC-42 do back-to-back switching. 311 and 325. Woohoo! That's the first time I see a Starlight. Like one engine faces northbound, the other one faces southbound. All right, folks, y'all on YouTube, have a good trip. All right, folks, there she goes, going towards Los Angeles. All right, heads up to David Jones. It's 311 and 325. ALC-42 in a new style way. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.